Hello guys and welcome. Being a security testers means that you have the main tools to perform various security testing tasks. So that's why today I show you how to install and configure Backtrack 5 version 3 on VirtualBox or as a virtual machine. Doesn't matter what's the virtualization tool to use, maybe VirtualBox or VMware, it's all the same. So you are wondering why I'm installing Backtrack, not Kali Linux. Simply because I've got some problems while installing Kali Linux on VirtualBox, so I just downloaded Backtrack, and also there is no huge difference between Backtrack and Kali Linux. They are all the same. Maybe there are more tools on Kali Linux, but we can install them on Backtrack. There is no huge difference. So I'll say that we will install Backtrack as a virtual machine, so you don't need to format your PC. So you don't need to format your computer to delete your previous operating system. You just need to install it as a virtual machine on your current operating system. What you're gonna need is Oracle VM VirtualBox. You can download it from VirtualBox. I think I include the link on my blog or on this video description. It's free. Maybe VMware is not free, I don't know, it's paid, but VirtualBox is free, totally free. You can download it. I include the link on my blog, here for Windows hosts. After downloading and installing it by clicking here, click download, it's already installed on my computer here, so I don't need to reinstall it. Installing VirtualBox is very easy. It's like installing any other software. You don't need many information about it. So I will delete this one and start new machine. First go to new to create a new virtual machine. Type the name. I type Backtrack. Then choose the operating system. I choose Linux. It's Linux, and the distribution is Ubuntu. Maybe for Kali Linux is Debian here, but you can use also Ubuntu. It does not matter. Choose the memory size. I choose can set it by default, and here next, create, then go to settings. So for sure you need to download the ISO file of Backtrack. So here I have it, so here is one, supposed, wait, it's the one. So go to storage, then here the empty hard drive or disk or CD icon, it's called empty. Choose virtual optical disk file, and then go to choose your ISO file, then OK. Now we need to start up the machine. Like I said, it's very easy to install Backtrack or Kali Linux. It's all the same. Click enter. So choose here. It's loading. Wait for it. It's just loading. Now you need to type start text. Sorry. In order to start the backtrack. It's a graphical in a graphical mode in graphics. So yes, this is Backtrack. I miss you. Maybe Kali Linux is not very different from Backtrack. There are maybe the same tools on Backtrack and Kali Linux. Maybe the distribution is different here. Backtrack is based on Ubuntu, but Kali Linux is based on Debian, and the theme is different also. But you can use a new one, just security testing operating system. Now you'll find the icon, this icon. It's called install Backtrack. Click on it. I love the sound. I love it. So wait for it. I choose English. Click forward. Sure, choose your language. You can choose any language you want. Here in Tunisia time. Forward. If you are connected, if you are already connected on the internet, it will automatically grab your country. Choose your own. I choose French one. Yeah. Forward. Is the AZERTY type, not a QWERTY. And then click forward. Continue. Then install. Now wait until the installing is complete, and then let's have a look at tools of Backtrack. Tools of Backtrack. We have the information gathering tools used to gather information about your targets, the vulnerability assessment tools, maybe scanning for vulnerabilities, and exploitation tools, exploiting vulnerabilities in order to gain access to your target. You can see there are many tools. We'll learn about them for sure on next tutorials. Internet, multimedia. Like I said, there is no huge difference between Backtrack and Kali Linux. Oh, by the way, it's not the Revolution 3 version. It's just Backtrack 5. I thought it was the Revolution 3 version. Sorry. So I just paused the tutorial and will continue when it's complete. So now we have Backtrack installed. By the way, I've got a little problem. Got my Backtrack session locked, and I just forgot to set up a password, default password for the current user, which is root. So to fix the problem or to pass it, you just need to open terminal. do this before installing Backtrack, huh? And type password without the error, then the username, which is root, and then write your preferred or favorite password. So that's all. Now we need to restart Backtrack. We click on restart now. The next step is installing VirtualBox Guest Edition, or anything it's called. So first let's restart the system. Wait for it. Click enter. And just wait for it. Click on F5 to pass the screen, the last screen. It shows you Backtrack 5, blah blah. Wait until it loads. Currently it's loading. So if you see this, it says BT login, type root, which is the current username, and for the password, the default password is star. And then type star text to start the graphical in graphical mode. On Kali Linux you don't need to type the star text, or even there is no console beginning. It will show you a window which tells you to enter the username and the password, and then click OK. But in Backtrack you need to enter some comments in order to open the graphical mode, to open Backtrack in graphical mode. So loading, waiting, we are waiting. Now we need to install the Backtrack Guest Edition tools, whatever they call it. I just switch. In order to install the Guest Edition tools, first let me do something. Just need to open the settings. This will be okay for Vega, I guess. Yeah. And okie dokie. Okay then. Yeah. Now go to Devices menu and click on Insert Guest Editions. available devices, which are here. Click on it, open it, and run as root bash. It's a bash file. Run it. Sorry. We need to run this file, VirtualBox Linux additions.run, not the bash file. Sorry. Wait for it. Wait it to done. Yeah. You know. So we need only one screen. Now we need to restart our backtrack. So So, logging into your backtrack, type startex. And just wait until it loads. Like you see, the screen now is bigger than the old one, and maybe speed is also more over than the speed and the graphics and so on. Like I said from the beginning, you can install Linux or Backtrack. Feel free, but for me, Backtrack would be enough. Yeah, I'm retarded, but it's okay. Backtrack is fine. So now we have Backtrack 5 installed with the VirtualBox Guest editions. Sorry for my bad English, it's not my native language, and you can find all the links used on this tutorial on my blog, checkoutflow.info. You can visit also the blog for more security and programming tutorials, and goodbye.